Hello friends, I'm back after a few months. So today I'm going to unbox iPad Air 4. So I have ordered this few days ago and I just received both of them. So this is iPad and this is the Apple Pencil. So I'm going to unbox and show you how it looks. Let's start. So here's my new iPad. As you can see, it looks gorgeous, I know. So we will unwrap this. Its normal price, the MRP is 54,900. A little bit pricey, but yeah. Ta-da. So now it's the time. Let's open it. It's well sealed. I know, like, that's how you need to do it. So I'm just shaking it a little bit. And here it is. Here's my iPad. Now let me show you the color and everything. It looks nice. It looks really nice, I must say. There's only two buttons at the side, like volume button, you can see, and this is the power button. And we have one USB-C charging port. Nothing else, I guess. Now let me start it. Yeah, it started. It takes some time. I need to hold my pressing. So apart from this, let me put it aside. Apart from this, we are getting this designed by, so some documentation of the iPad. Nothing else, I guess. So these are the documentations you will get. Just some notes. And this is the power brick you are getting. So, and also some USB-C charger. So this is USB-C charger and this is the USB-C cable you are getting with your Apple iPod Air. So it says 20 watt, so it looks okay. You can use it if you are already using other Apple devices, so you can use it along with this. So I'm keeping it aside. Let the charging begin. So I have completed my initial settings and I've already configured what other things are there. So it looks great. Now let me go to about section and let me show you the available one. So you can see the capacity is 64 GB. So you can see the capacity is 64 GB and the available space is 51.4 GB. So that's it. And yeah, so limited warranty, it's also showing like 2nd June 2022. That is, I don't know, today is 3rd June. Why it's showing, okay, maybe 1 day less. Anyways, that looks great, similar to what for any iOS device, I must say. Yeah, I will come back with some productivity videos later on, maybe. Yeah, so now let's unbox this one, the Apple Pencil. I've ordered this from Amazon and I received few discounts. So for, okay, that looks nice and genuine. This is Apple Pencil. So this is, the price point is, I hope you guys can see it. The Apple Pencil price is 10,900 So yeah, it looks gorgeous. So as I hope you can see it, the Apple Pencil price is 10,000. Now let's unbox the Apple Pencil. Yeah, I'm using it for the first time, so yeah, a little bit excited, I must say. So yeah, let's tear the plastic. So first generation pencil won't work with this iPad. You need a second generation pencil only. So this is the documentation, and here's the pencil. It looks good. It looks slick. I'm not sure. It's not that heavy, but you can feel it like it's something not as usual as your normal pen. But yeah. And the feature it has is, yeah, that's how it's connected. So it looks great. Let me know what you think. And this is basically green variant, which I would like to know, like how you liked. That's it, I guess. I will let you know like how it worked for me after maybe few days. Till then, bye bye, and please subscribe the channel, and I will come up with lots of reviews and other things. Yeah, sure. Have a good and safe day. Be safe, be happy. Bye bye.